So I've got this pump sprayer here. I've had it for about 3 years or so, and haven't had any problems with it, but now all of a sudden it's just spraying air instead of spraying liquid. It tells me the air is getting the line somewhere before the liquid can. So I'm gonna take a look at it, see if we can find that and get it fixed. So basically what's happening is, with these sprayers, you just pump them up. And then you lock it and it builds pressure. And when you spray the nozzle, you should be getting water or liquid, however. So you can see I'm mostly just getting air. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the pressure using this pressure release valve. And then I'm going to inspect the line. I don't see any leaks or holes in the line itself. So either this is not sealing properly on the nut, or there's something else wrong internally. When I unscrew this, see there's another tube inside that is supposed to be attached right there, and it just pulled right out. So it's telling me that there's something wrong in that line. And if you notice here, the rubber washer's in pretty good shape. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's in good shape. So I don't think I have an issue here. I think it's this line right here. So now it's falling down in there. I have to push it out. To do that, you just twist the handle. There's a little more room to work. Okay, and this is just pine sol and water, so there's no risk of me putting my hands in here if there's more toxic chemical. You probably would not want to do that. But I pulled out this tube, and this basically goes down in the water into the liquid to suck it up with the pressure and spray it out. But you can see something's happened up here, and it's gotten brittle, and it's just cracked. So basically what's happening is it's sucking air from the above the liquid, and that's all my sprayer's doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a utility knife, and I'm just going to cut it right below that and create a new fitting basically. Take my nut side here, just force that back on there, and now it has some actual friction and pressure like it's supposed to. So now you can see it's on there, it's firm. So now I'm going to reattach it to the jug. Down in there, screw it down, get it tight. Go to repressurize it. Okay, and now I should be spraying liquid instead of air. There you have it. And I just use this jug for cleaning my laminate floors in the house. It's just Pine Sol and water, and I find it a lot easier to use this jug because you can pump it up. It's got pressure. You don't have to lug a mop bucket around, and it's a lot easier than hand pumping a spray bottle. So thanks, guys.